Welcome to Fab. This video is about how to make a logo for a website built with Google Sites. And I'm talking about this logo right here. Let me enlarge it so you can see this logo right here. Of course, this is my site that I made using Google Sites. And here I show you three different types of add to cart buttons. You have options when you use the button in Google Sites. You can either choose this or choose this one or choose this one. That is to say, using the button. Nonetheless, this is not what the video is about. I will talk about this in another video, perhaps the next video. But for now, this video is about how to make this logo using Canva right here. This is Canva. So, without any further ado, let's go to Canva to make that logo. And here in Canva, we are going to choose logo. Very straightforward. All right. Now, I have found that the white background works perfectly for me. Therefore, I have no need to change the color of the background. The next thing we're going to look for or put on this background is something called a frame. Now, it is located in Elements. There it is right here. Or type it in the search field and it would appear right here. So we're going to take that and put it right here, or we can simply click it and it would end up on the background. So this is called a frame. Now center it. Now we're going to go to upload to look for a background, any color that you would like. So I'm going to use this background, this red background. Bam. See? Easy, right? Now that we have that here, we're going to click text. Now we could choose any of these text here, but we're just going to go with the simplest right here. Let's say we're going to use the letters GQ for the magazine. GQ, Gentleman Quarterly. Now we are going to increase the size of the letters. 144. Now let's center it. All right. Let's turn the text color white. Bam. Now, the next thing I like to do after I finish creating a design in Canva is to group them, make them become one by doing this. And click group up here. Bam. Done. Now the reason why I do that is because just in case I want to move the image, I can move all of it together. See that? Okay. Cool. Now we are going to download it by clicking up here. PNG is good, so download. Okay. Now we are going to this website, Expert, and we're going to click select to take the picture. Voila. And what we are going to do here is removing the outside of the circle of the logo right here. We are making it transparent from the edges, from the outside. See that? Now we are going to download it. Okay, so that's good. So we know that it is there. Now we are going back to the editor of my website, which is right here. So I'm going to replace my logo so that you can see how I upload it up here and what it looks like. So I go to the settings right here, brand image, delete the logo that was there. Now click upload. Right there. Open, and then bam, and there it is right here. Let me show you. See that right here. Okay, so now let's publish it so that you can see what it looks like on my website or in my website. This is before, the black one is before, the red one is the new one. Okay, now we are going to refresh my site so we can see it right here in action. There it is. That's how you make a logo for a Google Sites website for the upper left corner. All right, that's it. So until next time in the next video, peace.